Welcome back to For the Love of Sicily. And finally, here's the walkthrough video of our beautiful home. It is narrated throughout, explaining all of the changes that were made along the way. I want to mention that I made this video 2 years ago before Christmas, hence all of the holiday decorations. But also I created it to show to potential buyers as our plans had shifted and we needed to find a home that better suited our growing family of fur babies, a subject we will discuss in a future video. I hope you'll enjoy it, and please leave a comment and a like if you do. It's the front door and the entryway. Stairs with a gate that goes down to the kitchen. Stairs that go up to the second floor with the bedrooms. This is called a star ceiling. It's a really beautiful feature. Original terrazzo floors. And these we had made, custom made. These were panels that were used in noble homes in between the beams on the ceiling. And we had those custom made. It's a beautiful feature. We like to showcase our artwork. There's lots of wall space to do that. Really nice light fixtures. This opens up to the living room. And this is also a pull-out bed. Plenty of space for extra guests to stay. We had these cabinets custom made, the shelves, and this window is brand new. Really tall French doors there that lead out to the terrace, where we usually have lots of flowers blooming, but since it's winter time, they have hibernated. This custom built-in was here, and we just cleaned it up and painted the inside. It looks really beautiful. And we have the tall ceilings. Original beams. These are about 3.5, 4 meters high in this room, the ceiling. Again, there's the front door. Come down a couple of marble steps. Also original floor. And then here you have the bathroom, which we designed. We personally picked out all of the tile and the patterns. Nice size vanity. Light up mirror. And a waterfall shower head. Again, the 3.5 to 4 meter high ceilings with the same beams as in the other room. This is just a little storage area. All of our toiletries, makeup, cleaning supplies. And then this is the small bedroom. We had a bunk bed in here for our grandchildren, but now we have a B&B here, and so this has become my storeroom, but there's plenty of space. This dresser used to be over here, bunk bed, and there was plenty of space for the kiddos. Also a little closet there. I loved the paint there, and kept that, clear coat it, and but that can also be painted over if that's not to your liking. Again, this is tall ceilings, but not quite as tall. This is the supports for the stairwell that goes up. Plenty of space. This pulls out into a queen size sofa bed, so there's plenty of space there. And back to the front door. Now we're going to go up to the bedrooms. Nice terrazzo original floor. And again, the star vaulted ceiling, which you can barely see. We built a Christmas tree out of olive branches this year. Turned out really nice. This is the balcony above the front door. Brand new marble flooring on that. We use this as a sitting area and office space. Normally my desk is right here. This would be a perfect place for a bed or a pull-out. So you have additional sleeping opportunities. Gorgeous chandelier. And then this is the powder room that we had put in so that we don't have to go all the way downstairs in the middle of the night if we need to. Again, beautiful tile floors, really perfect for Christmas. French doors here, going into the other bedroom. And these are the gorgeous tile floors, original to the room. And the balcony that goes out to the back. Beautiful crown molding detail there. These walls were hand rubbed. A really beautiful technique, taking advantage of the texture of the walls. This is a king-size bed. Very large room. And another beautiful chandelier. These are your views out the back. It's quite bright. It's a beautiful day today, in the 60s, I think. Hard to see with the sun. Another split unit here. And now we'll head down to the kitchen. Panning back again. This is the front door. These are new marble stairs and custom design railings. And this is the door to the back courtyard area. It's a cement floor that just has a beautiful antiqued look to it, almost like marble. And again, we have about 4-meter high ceilings with the original exposed beams. This area here, we had a party of 14 last year, and good size space for entertaining. This is the pantry. Extra food and cleaning supplies and recycling. We have a really good recycling program here. And this is the door to the second full bath. Washer and dryer. Forgot to mention that the water tanks are up above this room. I'll go through that door. And the other thing is we left the doors unfinished. The future owner can decide how they want, if they want them stained or painted. We just thought they were so pretty, we didn't want to paint them and then that'd be an issue. Here's where the water tanks are. There's one large one and another small one back behind there. And the pump is down here. Now we'll go out to the back. And here we have the back door from the kitchen. This is a courtyard type area. It's not a through area. It's basically shared by the neighbors. There's the two balconies up above. Brand new window that we had put in, the shutters lock. Nice area for flowers. And the door here is extremely old. We're not exactly sure how old, but as I said before, this used to be the stables on the bottom floor. This was a ring that they used to tie up the animals. Nice that they kept that. Over here we have a ramp that goes up to the main road out in front of the house. And stairs that go down. This is not a through street. No cars can get through. As I said, mostly only the neighbors use it. And on this side, we have stairs that go up and down, up to the main road. It takes you back up to the churches and down to some more houses. It's a really beautiful space. We like to come out in the evening, set up some chairs and have a drink. When we have guests, they can come out through the kitchen door and sit and enjoy the nice weather. Join us next time as we start renovations on our vacation rental house, house number 2. We hope you'll join us. Be sure to click like and subscribe to follow all of our adventures in Sicily.